Today we're going to take you back in time. Ooh.
This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep.
Hey, welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG, Jay, and you knew that, so good for you. You get a gold star. Hey, I like it when you show up at the trailer hood, even though I wasn't around on Wednesday. Nope. I had just a lot of stuff to do and no time to do it, and I haven't really been able to shoot any new videos because I have to wait. I'm waiting for equipment. I'm waiting for supplies. I'm waiting for more stuff to do, more unboxings. I've got a planer coming. That's right. We're going to do an unboxing hopefully next week. Mondays seem to be the time where I do the unboxing, so maybe that's unofficially the unboxing Monday that we'll have scheduled for next week. So hopefully I'll have it then. And until then, it's really crappy here. We're in the middle of a snowstorm, and it's very, very cold. The snow's not bad. Actually, we're only supposed to get a few inches. And it's very light, easy to shovel. I don't mind that. But it is bitterly cold, and I have just a limited amount of propane for the shed. And, I got to wait. I'm going to wait until I get the planer and some supplies and some other stuff and let you know some of the things that I'm going to be doing. I'm also getting a bunch of stuff for the channel that's kind of behind the scenes you don't really notice. Like I just got a new mouse. You don't hear that clicking of the mouse anymore because now my mouse doesn't make any noise. I have a silent mouse. I know there's a demented Christmas Carol in there somewhere. Silent mouse. But anyway, so what I'm doing today, because it's so damn cold, and this is a good day to stay inside and make something. And what's better than comfort food? And I've done cooking videos on here before, and as a matter of fact, we're going to go back to one of the first ones I did, and that was Chillin' with the Old Guy, and we made chili. When I say we, myself and my good buddy Zane, the OG in training. And we made some chili, and a lot of people told me they really liked the video. They liked the chili, but the video is just too damn long. And I agree, it was. So I've edited it. That's a good word. So I edited it, and I've got that all together for you now. And just keep in mind, this was back in the old days. This was almost a year ago, and I had a crap camera. I had no fancy lighting like I do now, sort of. And it was just, the video is not the greatest video, but it is better than what it was before, and I hope you enjoy it. And, chilling with the old guy. Why not? What are we going to put in there?
We're going to put some beef in there.
Beef! We like beef. Okay, let me grab that. How much beef we need?
Oh, it says 2 pounds.
2 pounds. It says, huh?
It says.
Come on, this is an old family
I was
recipe.
going to say, according to your recipe.
I don't know, I can't remember or see anything. I don't have my glasses on. And that's why Zane's here. Because he's a lot younger than I am and his eyes haven't gone to shit, even though you do wear glasses.
I do. They've always been kind of not so good.
Yeah. Well, wait till you get to be my age.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're just going to put in some ground beef. This is about 1.3 pounds here.
Maybe.
We'll put that in there. And this is the first step. We're just going to brown up this beef. And I'll save that. I'll make a hamburger later. Okay, so we're just going to, we don't need to add anything to this yet, do we?
A little bit of garlic.
A little bit of garlic. The garlic. And where is the garlic?
That is a good question.
Garlic. How much garlic?
Oh, let's go. A couple teaspoons.
Oh, jeez.
Good enough.
That's some good garlic right there. If you like garlic, this is the chili for you. All right. I'm just going to put this over here. We're going to turn it on the stove. And we'll get that, I'll put that on medium heat. Just so we don't burn it. And while we do that, we'll get the other stuff prepared. Now, what's the first thing we're going to need?
We're going to need some tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. We got some of that right here. And I'm going to show you a little trick.
Show me the trick.
Everybody uses a can opener like that.
Yep.
right? Then you have this edge, and then it doesn't come off. Right.
Exactly.
So watch this. Now we're going to put it on this side, like this.
Yep, I think I have seen that before.
Now you've got a nice straight edge. Be really careful though, because it's sharp. It's wicked sharp. But you can put that right in there like that, and you can get more of the sauce out. Look at that.
Just like that.
Hey, that works. All right, next.
Oh, now we add some seasonings to that.
All right, what are we gonna need? How much of what?
We need 2 tablespoons of chili powder.
We've got that right here.
Perfect. Look at that, brand new.
It is. It's got that new chili powder smell. I'm having a hard time opening up packages today.
Yeah, I'll go right ahead of you and get the next one ready.
I hate those places where you go and it's a two drink minimum. Jeez, you know, it's the next day I'm not doing well.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I don't mind a 4 drink minimum. All right, 2 of these.
2 of them.
2 of those. There's one. Oh, look at that. There's 2. Very precise. You're not having very much luck either, are you? No.
Nope.
Here's the way you do that. Now you just pull that off. How much of this stuff? What is this?
This is cayenne pepper.
Oh, the cayenne pepper. I'll tell you what, man. This is...
Need a 1/4 teaspoon.
A 1/4 teaspoon. Oh, well...
Eyeball it, good enough.
Yeah, well, that's... Sure. Zane says it's good, so what the hell?
I eyeball everything.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I don't use measuring spoons.
Well...
I go until the spirit of my ancestor says, alright, that's good.
Yeah.
So,
well, I'm not one for exact measurement, that's for sure.
nope.
But, all right, what's the next thing?
Now we need some cumin.
Some cumin. There's some cumin right there.
And we need a teaspoon of that.
Now, I could make a joke about this or the way it's spelled, but I'm not going to. Because this is a class act. A teaspoon?
A teaspoon.
Oh, that's a tablespoon. Oh, that looks about like a teaspoon.
3 teaspoons per tablespoon, so yeah, that looks about right.
Oh, yeah, good. Oh, you're getting exact with your measurements again.
About 3 teaspoons.
All right.
No exact on that.
Now what do we need?
Another teaspoon of oregano.
Oregano. A teaspoon. Here, let's do it. How's that?
Looks good.
All right. Next.
A little bit of salt. Ought to be good.
Oh, that went down my shirt. I can't even throw salt over my shoulder. All right. Next.
We're going to mix that into a paste.
We are.
We are.
Okay, I'm going to check on the hamburger right now and see how that's doing first. It's important when you have browning up beef, don't leave it unattended like I'm doing right now. Make sure you stir it up a little bit so it doesn't burn on the bottom. You just want a nice brown color. You don't want it to...
You don't want to get scorched.
You don't want charcoal.
No.
All right.
Save that for summer on the grill.
So, what do you think, Zane?
I think that looks good.
That looks good. Well, we've got a clump right there. Let's unclump that. All right, now what?
Now, we wait.
We wait.
We wait.
We're not adding beans or anything to that yet?
Not yet.
All right. Well, okay. We're going to wait. All right. We're letting our meat simmer. That sounds bad.
Eh,
But that's what we're doing.
it's true. So, I mean,
I added a half cup of water to it. It was a little dry, so you can do that as it gets drier and drier. Just add a half cup of water at a time. Speaking of a half cup of water, we need a half cup of water now.
yep, we're going to make a nice corn paste.
Right, and we're going to put that right in the same because it's all, we're going to use the same bowl because it's all going to get mixed together anyway. And food always ends up all in the same place after you eat it anyway, so that's as far as I'm going to say.
Yes.
That's as far as I'm going to that.
I'm gonna say,
Okay.
Keep it PG.
All right. Now, how much of this stuff we're going to...
We're going to put in a 1/4 cup of this cornmeal. Or
This is-
corn flour, whatever they call
Right,
it.
this is mesa. You can get this in the ethnic aisle of cooking. It comes from Mexico, and well, this stuff probably comes from Kansas, but originally comes from Mexico. How much we need? Quarter cup?
Quarter cup.
Quarter cup. Let's get one of these things here.
That might be a little bit more sensible.
And somebody was telling me the other day, oh, you can use cornmeal. No, don't use cornmeal. It's
A little bit of a different texture.
Oh yeah, I mean this is flour, so are we close? I can't see it.
We are. That's perfect.
All right, I knew it was. Put that right in there, and then we just mix this up.
Just mix it up.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh yeah, like the never.
Beautiful. All right, so that looks perfectly good right there.
Yep.
And now we just dump that in.
Yep. Dump that right into your chili. It's gonna be pinto beans and kidney beans.
We've already opened these. Again, I already showed you how to use a can opener, so you didn't need to see me do it.
Yep. And you're gonna rinse and drain them beans, which we've
Right.
already done.
We drained it out. We rinsed them off. Now we got the beans in here. Now what?
And now, wait for that chili to come back to a simmer, and we're gonna dump them all in.
All right.
But we can take them and mix them around in that bowl, try and get as much out of the bowl as we can.
See, I live in the future. Watch this. Hey, Google, how much time left on timer?
43 minutes and 10 seconds remaining.
All right, so we've got about 43 minutes left, and then we'll come back to this.
Yeah, sounds good.
See you in a bit.
Boom, just like that.
Did I just break it? No.
I was gonna say, that was pretty firm.
Yeah, well, you know, we do the best we can. All right, let's move this microphone a little bit. There we go. Now what are we doing?
We're gonna mix that tomato paste all into the burger.
All this stuff.
All that stuff.
Okay, and we're gonna get the other little spatula here. Get everything. You gotta check your phone again. Right?
Yeah, I thought I heard a text. That might have been your phone. We have the same. Yeah, my phone's off, so.
Yeah, see, I ignore mine while I'm doing this.
Yeah. Well, I'm on call, so it's a little harder.
No,
today.
you can't. You should probably turn your phone back on.
Well, personal and work.
Oh, okay.
But I get work on my personal and no personal on the work.
All right, now what?
Now we're gonna mix that all together
Okay.
and set it back on the stove to kind of simmer and mix all together real good.
All right. That's pretty good. We'll give it a few stirs while it's on there too. I've just reduced the heat on the stove. Went from medium down to low, and we're gonna let this simmer on there. How long is it gonna simmer?
About an hour.
About an hour. So we'll be back in an hour. Put that right in there. Man, that looks good. Here, I'll bring that right up. Look at that. Looks like ground beef. Okay. Smells good though.
It smells wicked good.
I wish you could smell this. Now we're gonna put this in here.
Yep, beans go right in there.
All right.
Just like that, the bowl is nice and somewhat clean.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna mix that all up, and then we're gonna put it back up on the stove.
Another 10 minutes.
Another 10 minutes, and we're gonna leave it covered. Probably should have mentioned that before. When you're simmering this, you leave it covered on low. And that looks pretty good.
That looks really good.
All right, back on the stove. Hey Google, set timer 10 minutes.
10 minutes. And that's starting now.
I love living in the future. Damn, that's hot. We are done. Look at this. Damn, that does smell good.
That smells wicked.
Oh, that's... Do a quick little stir. What do you think? You're the chili expert.
I don't know, I think it looks pretty good.
I think it looks all right myself. I wish I had a better camera. Hey, guess what? I'm getting a new camera in about 2 days, so hopefully we'll be able to make better videos. Should have used the GoPro on this one, though. But that looks pretty good. Now all we're going to do now is put it in the cheap Tupperware, and he's going to take most of it over, and then I don't want to see him for a couple of days, because I
Let's
know...
say the fiance is going to love me tonight.
Well, tell her, you know, she can come over here and watch a movie or whatever while you're ruminating and fumigating.
Yep.
Anyway, that's the video. Chilling with the OG. And I hope you learned something. And if you didn't, well, that's your fault. I tried.
Yep.
We both tried. And there you have it, Chillin' with the Old Guy, the new edition, complete with fart noises. Why not? I got them laying around here. Might as well use them, right? Don't want good farts to go to waste. Oh, yeah, I'm really low now. But that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for spending time with me here in the trailer hood. I sure do appreciate it. If you got anything out of this video at all, if it made you think, if it made you laugh, if it made you disgusted, whatever it is, hit that like, hit that share button, and please subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. So until next time, I'm the OG, the old guy, and I'm out.